Hey guys, so today's video was actually supposed to be a get ready with me, but I just got my Boxycharm in the mail, so I wanted to get it up for you guys as soon as possible. I'll upload the get ready with me tomorrow, but I've seen a lot of spoilers for the February box and it looks really promising, so I can't wait to actually unbox it and see what's inside. I personally feel like Boxycharm has been really good the past few months, but let me know what you guys think of this box in the comments below. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, you can actually get the February box at the time that I'm filming this, so you can use my link in the description box below or just head over to their website. It's $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. So it's my personal favorite beauty subscription box, although Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is coming up really close because that one's been really good too. If you want to check out some of those unboxings, I'll link the playlist in the description box below, but let's jump into it, see what's inside. I'll put all information like the dimensions, the weight, cruelty-free and vegan information in the description box below, but let's get into it. Okay, so I actually saw this spoiler on social media. Everybody is getting the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara this month, which I think is really cool because this is a $24 mascara. It is so popular. So many people love it. So you pay $21 for the box and you get a $24 mascara along with a bunch of other products. So if you like this mascara, it might be worth just grabbing the February box and then canceling, or you can stay subscribed as well. But I feel like I am one of the only people on the planet who don't like this mascara. I don't know what it is. I have tried it so many times. I want to love it. It's one of those products that just like draws me in and I try it over and over and it just doesn't work for me. I haven't tried it in a long time because like I said, it hadn't worked for me in the past. Even like talking about it now, I'm tempted to try it again, but for some reason, there's something about like this brush and this formula that doesn't do a whole lot for my lashes. I don't have great lashes. They're very short. I don't have a lot of them, so I usually have to layer mascaras to get the effect that I want, and I just didn't find that this really did anything for me. But I know that is definitely not the case for the majority of the people who try it. I know a lot of people love it, including my mom and my sisters, so I'll probably just pass this along to one of them. This next product is something that I love, and I believe everybody is getting this product as well. It is the Touch in Sol No POREBLEM Primer. I actually have mine right here because I just filmed with it yesterday when I filmed a video, and I love this primer. I've actually been using it a lot during January and February because I put it in my everyday makeup drawer for the 2 months, and it's a really nice smoothing pore filling primer. What's weird is I don't typically like very smooth primers or even pore filling primers because I don't think they make my foundation last that well throughout the day, and if I was to use this primer all over my entire face, I do feel like my foundation would start to break down a little bit more quickly. But what I typically do is use like a moisturizing primer, or I skip a primer and I go in with a very small amount in like very specific targeted areas, and I do find that it really helps to fill in any fine lines, or you know, if I have really large obvious pores, it just kind of blurs those areas. And if I'm struggling with a little bit of dryness, which doesn't happen very often, but sometimes it does happen around my nose, I find that this just helps my foundation go on really smoothly. So if you have very oily skin, I would recommend going in with a very small amount, but I do think a lot of people are going to love this. I'm really impressed by it. Okay, the next thing in here is by Sol de Janeiro. I actually did not know about this product. So this is the COCO CABANA cream. I usually avoid the card because I don't want to see any spoilers, but I'm curious about this. So it says that it's an oil in water gel cream that's supposed to moisturize for up to 72 hours and has notes of coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. That sounds amazing. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It kind of smells a little bit wintry, like it's not, I don't know if wintry is the right word. It kind of smells like a holiday scent, like a holiday candle from Bath & Body Works. It has like a little bit of like a gingerbread scent to me. I'm assuming that's just like the praline and the vanilla. I remember liking the scent of the original one, but I think I like this one more. It does have a little bit more of like a gel cream texture, just like they describe it, but as you rub it in, it does feel really moisturizing. So I guess we'll see if the moisture lasts for 72 hours. I am planning on doing, I mentioned this in my Boxycharm video last month, I am planning on doing like a 3-month review. So at the end of March, I will review all of the products that I got in my Boxycharm and then possibly my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus as well. So I'll keep you updated, but it sinks into the skin well. It doesn't feel overly moisturizing and I do like the scent. So I'm looking forward to trying this out even more. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Nudestix. I have gotten a few products from Nudestix in the past. This is their Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. I actually have tried this product. I don't know if I still have it in my collection because typically I don't wear products like this super often. I'm just like a powder eyeshadow fan. I love a good eyeshadow palette and that's typically how I do my eye makeup, but this is an interesting product. So it is in the shade Copper Foil. This product is really nice because it's just easy to work with. You draw it on, you blend it out, you can layer it for a little bit more of an intense look, you can smudge it on your lower lash line, or you can use it as eyeliner. The nice part about this product is that you can also use it with eyeshadow. So I might take like a brown and blend it into the crease, and then a dark brown in the outer corner and place this all over the lid. I'll play around with this and the other shade that I have, and I'll give you guys a full update at the end of March and let you know if I fell in love with it or if I'm just going to stick with powder shadow. And the last product in here is from Pretty Vulgar. I just mentioned in a recent video that I've been wanting to try out more of their products. I really love the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette that we got. I think it was a few months ago. It was like a cool toned brown and blue palette, and it's really, really beautiful. So this is their Shimmering Swan highlighter, and I got the shade Sparkling Sass. So it looks really beautiful. I don't know if it's going to be too dark for my skin tone or if it's going to be a good option. This is a really pretty color. I do think I'll actually be able to make this work for my skin tone. It's a little bit more of a peachy gold. I honestly don't know if I have a color like this. I want to say that it's a little bit warmer than Champagne Pop from BECCA. It's very, very beautiful. I'm really excited to use this. If it went a little bit better with my eye makeup, I'd try it on now, but I'm wearing a little bit more of a pink highlighter today, but this feels really soft and really beautiful. At first, I thought it was going to be a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but I think it will actually work. Okay, I think that this was a good box. I think every single one of these brands is sold at Sephora, and I don't know about you guys, like I think some people when they get subscription boxes like discovering new brands. I actually prefer getting like well-known high-end brands that I already use and love, especially if it's something that I can like test out and fall in love with, and then I can purchase like an additional shade or repurchase the product from somewhere easy like Sephora or Ulta. But I'm 99% sure that Sephora carries all of these brands. They're all cruelty-free, which is amazing, and I think this was a really good box. It's a nice change from their typical boxes because I think a lot of times we get like a lip product and an eyeshadow palette, so I like that they switched it up. I enjoy the fact that they included a body moisturizer. The face primer is something that I really enjoy, and I will definitely try out these products. I don't know about the Too Faced mascara just because I don't want to waste it. I know somebody else in my life will definitely enjoy it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below which products you got. If you got something different, I would love to hear your thoughts, or if you've tried out these products, let me know what you guys think. But I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.